So in Strikingly in the store, after adding a payment method, you need to go ahead and enable out the products that you want to sell to customers so that they can actually add the product to cart. Otherwise, it'll display as coming soon. So for that, you need to go to Manage Product, and you can see that only this product is enabled as of now. So with the free account, you can only enable one product at a time. So if you want to enable this, simply click on Enable, and it'll say as a free user, you can sell up to one product. And if you enable this, all other products will be disabled. So it says, are you sure? So you can go ahead and enable it, and this will be enabled. You want to enable this again, simply go back right here and confirm the enable right here, and that product will be enabled. So let's just go ahead and publish this out now. So that our customers will be able to buy it. Mind that you do need to add in the payment method right here as well. This should be enabled in order for them to actually go ahead and buy our product. So now over here, if I were to go to any other product, it says coming soon. But if I were to actually go around over here, let's go to all categories, interactive learning, webinar 1. If I were to select it, you can see that add to cart is an option right here. They can select the quantity and add it out as well. So let's just go ahead and check this out, go around and purchase. Let's say, for example, right here, you can go ahead and make an order, and it says order complete, as you can see right there. So that is basically how you can go ahead and enable out products so that your customers can buy it or start buying it from your Strikingly page. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.